Just look at this path. I'm walking in the rain a bit today because I think there's no point in missing out on the beautiful countryside just because it's raining, because here in Wales it rains a lot but you can still really enjoy the weather, and I think it's beautiful in this particular spot. It's a strange path, it's a sort of dried up stream, the public footpath, but it's a really lovely spot that you arrive at. As you can see here, it's just beautiful. So it's only a very short video just to show you that walking in the rain is just as good, and I'm now going to attempt to walk back up and maybe do this again another day when it's a bit sunnier. So goodbye from me and the lovely Brecon vegans, and I hope you have a lovely day, and even if it's raining I hope you would get out and enjoy the weather anyway. So this is quite a path, but definitely worth the walk. It's quite enchanting that you just have to obviously watch where you step, so I'll just be very careful. Right, so I'm almost out. That was a little bit difficult, but we have made it.